Okay, that's perfect. So today we are going to create a game using AI tool, and based upon your feedbacks from the poll, it is decided that we are going to create a game uh, for the racing kind of thing. Now, again, let's say I do not have any kind of idea that what kind of game should I create and what kind of gaming game, like racing game, should I create. So I'll just ask again. The Chat GPT is of my all-time buddy. You can ask Gemini or any other like LLM. I will just ask for the ideas, like what kind of gaming game, racing games I can create. Hi GPT, you are a game expert, game developer expert. So you need to create a game which is for the car racing, but I don't have any theme or idea in my mind that what kind of game should I create. So can you just give me top five ideas on which I can create a car racing game? Just remember that I will be creating this game using the AI tool as bolt.new, and it is an online game, and yeah, it is just for the reference, and we do not want to be a very advanced version of game. So give me top five ideas on which I can start working. I have just asked this ChatGPT to give me some ideas, but I think my prompt he has not listened. Hi GPT, you are a game developer expert with experience of 15 years. So I'm creating a game using AI tool called bold.new. So you need to give me top five ideas on which I can create a game. It's a car racing game and it should be a basic one. So tell me that. Hmm. So different kind of games it has given me the idea. That is endless traffic dodger. Second is the flick to drift racing. Third is the time attack city run. Fourth is police chase escape game. And fifth is one tap nitro racer. What kind of game do you want that we guys should create today? Tell me in the chat box out of these five categories. Absolutely, you can. This is just for the reference purpose. Any game, anything that you want, any creativity, you can absolutely create of your own. Uh, Time attack. Is there any category for time attack? Time attack. This one you are saying, no? Okay, no issues. So, what kind of game is it having? Is it so? Okay. So now, what I need to do is now I need to have a proper plan for the game. Is like what kind of things that we will be happening, like what kind of things will be happening in the game, how the player is going to win and all. Hi GPT. So we have decided that we will be creating this time attack city run game. And in order to create this game using the AI tool, we need the proper planning and the structure for this game, like how the player is going to win, what are the different players, or what different kind of things for each and everything. In order to make this game a perfect, we need to have all the structure and all the planning for the game. So design all the structure and planning for this game. That is number three. That is time attack city run. So give me accordingly. I am just simply asking this GPT that give me the proper structure of this game. But I think yeah, time attack full game blueprint. I am asking for the blueprint. Correct word is this? Yes. Okay. So this kind of thing it is suggesting me. Yeah. So each and everything player controls, win or loss system, how a player is going to lose or how a player is going to win, and all this stuff it has developed for me, right? So earlier, what used to happen is I need to have a pen and paper, and there I need to plan that game accordingly. But right now, this GPT is doing each and everything for me. Yes. Now, what should be the next step? Once I have the proper structure or blueprint of this game, I need the prompt. Simple. So, in order to get the prompt, again, I'll just command this. Okay, that's perfect, ChatGPT. Now, you are a world-class expert prompt engineer with experience of 15 years in writing prompts that develops great games. And you have already written and created games for big brands using AI tools. So you need to give me a prompt for the game that you have described above and you have given the blueprint above. So you need to give me a prompt, and it should be a very realistic game that people can play and have fun. And it is going to be an online game. And yeah, I'm asking it in a very simple basics. Perfect. Now it has given me the prompt. Perfect. Nice. So I have just copied this, and what I'll do is I'll just head towards this bold.new, and this is basically a platform to create apps, websites, games. So I am just copy pasting this entire stuff. Footer right as created by AI people create and place. I have just copied the full instructions of the game and just pasted the full instructions. I have not even read the prompt right now. This is again just for the reference purpose. Once you are going for the practical purpose, once you are creating the game, websites, apps on a practical use case, it is highly recommendable that you read this entire stuff, and whatever is not according to you, just change it or remove it. Right? This is basically the prompt that ChatGPT has given us. We have copied that, and now it has started working and creating that stuff. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Um, See, one more important thing is whatever we are discussing in the classes, it is highly suggested, it is highly advised that you practice that on a daily basis. Because see, you will think na that I will practice that on Saturday and Sunday. So on Saturday and Sunday na, you will maybe forget some of the concepts, some of the things that we have like studied in the class. So on a daily basis, just spare half an hour or an hour, and these things are very much interesting also by the same time, right? So explore all this. Okay, perfect. It is creating it. By the same time, can anybody let me know that yesterday we created websites? Have anybody created or explored that? If you have did so, you can share the link or tell me in the chat box as yes. If you have done so, absolutely. Yesterday, I taught you how to create websites, but creating games is also a part of this program. So you have to go according to the curriculum. You have created any website yesterday? I was not there. We use the same tool, Bolt. We use the same tool. So you can just cover up. Cover up. Okay. Takshil have created. Takshil, if you have created, you can also share the link so that everybody can see that. I did. It was still in progress. Okay. Absolutely, you can create it. Okay, sir, on it. Okay. Okay, perfect. Others who you have not created, why is it so? Uh, in fact, let me just show you. Mhm. Yes, this was it. One of the student has created this from the earlier batch. So this is basically an community for football elevated or something. So yeah, this kind of stuff they have itself created on their own, right? See, they have used Replit for the theme. You can also use Replit, Lovable, or Emergent or any other tool. See, right? You can also share your creations if you have created someone. Yeah, you have used Emergent. That's nice. Yeah, emergent की अभी दिक्कत ही आ रही है. It is not like opening the website. You can maybe share your screen for the same because in the earlier na somebody also shared the emergent link, but it was not opened. Okay, yeah. I think who has shared? I am. So you have to wait. I am waiting for what? I am waiting. No worries. Just a second. I am maybe stop sharing. Yes. Now you guys can share. You guys can share the link, or maybe you can share your screen. Those who have created on Emergent, someone you can share your screen. Yeah, Tashir, I'm waiting for you. You can just share the link so that I can open it in front of everybody else. It is generating. Okay, okay, you can generate that. On Bolt, Ayansh has also looked it. Let me just open it. Ayansh, I think you have not made this thing live. You have not made this thing live. I'll just show you how you can make it live. You have create like shared the link as editor access you are giving me. Okay, and I think that game which we created is now ready. Let us just go. Okay, somebody has shared the screen. Mm, yeah, keep it up if you are sharing. Anybody else is sharing. Okay, so let me just share my screen and see has created this stuff. Let me just publish it and just see what happens over here. Ayansh, you can just like publish this from here. Here is the publish button in bold. You can just publish it, and then after that, you can share that URL, which it will give it to you. How to make it live? Yeah, the same thing. Publish button is here. You just go hit on the publish button and you will find a button over here, publish, and it will take maybe a minute and you will find another link through which everybody else can open that. Yeah, you will find a link that like that. It is hosted on the Bolt. Perfect. Let me share it with you guys also so that you can also have a look at it. And it is opening like this. Is it anyway? It is opening like this. Time attack city run. Reach checkpoints before time runs out. So kind of this it has created. So see, it is controlled with the help of my arrows on my keyboard. I'm absolutely able to control that with the help of my arrow button in the keyboard. I think yeah, it's an interesting one. It is also having any kind of sound also it's having. Mm, Also in the here no, we need to add a stop button. Right now, I think there is no stop button so that we are not able to stop it or something. Just a second. Perfect. So now, whatever changes you want, let's say we want a stop button into that. We can write it over here. I will also write that. Sir, what is this? The game that we have created right now. It is been publishing from 1 hour. You can maybe refresh the window, Tanmay, Takshil. Don't do anything. The thing is, na, see, for example, Disha is saying I don't do anything and I'm earning points. Now that is a bug in that, na. So what you can do is whatever the bug you are having, just write it. Give me the bugs, na. Let's say just play the game and tell me 1 to 2 bugs. Let's just correct it. Let's just correct it. You can just play the game. Whatever you feel that this should be here, just give that. Takshil, I am listening you. Yes, tell me. I have it. Uh, the link. Yeah, please share the link. Okay. So what you were doing? I was using the arrow keys to maybe change the lanes in the road in the game. So this is created by Takshil. Okay, Takshil have created this game. So what is this all about? We have to okay. We have to save our rocket from these kind of hot balls or something. Yeah, that's great. Very good. Very good. right? Mm, whether it is taking a lot of time, yes, it will take a lot of time depending upon the complexities of the game. If you are looking for a very simple game, it will load up faster. If you are like creating everything like on a deeper level, it will take a lot of time also. No worries for that. Zehra is saying what I have left already, Takshit. Can I use Chat GPT? For what purpose? Na? Give me the context. Absolutely, Abhinan. If you have created website, please share the link. Whatever you have created a website or a game, please share the link right now. And it is highly recommendable that you create on a daily basis. This program is especially designed for that purpose, na? That you should be the creators, not just the consumers. Yeah, Abhinan, yeah. Nothing is nothing to worry about, Zara, because we are just creating and we are making use of Chat GPT and Bolt, just like this. Just a second. Okay, so this website is created. Okay, very nice. By Abhinan. Very nice, very nice. Use bags that love our planet. Floor connection. We are having these kind of three collections. We are having cotton canvas, recycled fabric, and jute and hemp. Very nice, yeah, very nice that you have created this stuff. The plastic problem. We have explained the problem that plastics bags are having, and great. See the quality of like website, the how professional it is looking. Each and everything is there, perfectly fixed, right? Very nice, very nice. Keep it up, right? Perfect. Okay. You can also link other pages. You can also create other pages and link over here. But yeah, for right now, where you have created it very, very great, I must say. Now you are having a watermark also made in gold. Perfect. Very good. Anybody else have created? And yes, somebody has written the prompt. Modify. This prompt is basically for the game that we have created. Disha? Yeah. Modify the existing time attack car to make it more interactive and challenging. Add a smooth car movement using keyboard controls. Introduce traffic vehicles. Okay. Okay, you want these changes in the game, na? Let me just copy first the first change and let me just copy paste it over here. I have just copy pasted whatever the Diksha said. Well, the website name is this bolt that we are using. This is going to be very much important. You should be and you must be learning one of these websites like Bolt, Replit, Lovable, or Emergent. You should be having this knowledge. Trust me, this is very, very much important. Why I am just repeating the kind of stuff that we have like learned yesterday. The concept is absolutely the same. We are just copy pasting the prompt that we created for website, and now we are copy pasting it for website. The purpose is basically because this is going to be very much important and very much fruitful for you guys in the near future. I'm not sharing my screen. I'm reading your comments right now in the chat box. I have given the prompt that Diksha had said for the first change. Let us just look. Let me just share it. Okay. Perfect. It is working on towards that prompt. we have given this correction. I don't know, whatever it is, and like implement the collision detection so the humans and penalizes the player while hitting the another vehicle. It is regarding any vehicle or something. So what we are doing is hitting any traffic vehicle now immediately ends the game. Let me just publish it. You can play also in the mobile also, no? See now earlier there were no vehicles, but right now you can see some vehicles over there. But right now also there is one bug over here. The vehicles we can see from the very far distance, but they are getting disappeared when our vehicle is getting closer. So it is not kind of realistic or something. So when you just what I can say, when you just play the game, you will realize that. Right now, I think we are not having any vehicles. It was in the start only, right? So now, what I'll do is I'll just give the command this. Hmm. While playing the game, the vehicles, the other vehicles for collisions are not coming up very closer. They are disappearing from the very far. So we want the vehicles to be passed by from our vehicle and also improve the difficulty level of the game. Any kind of changes, any kind of things that you are like noticing that this it has to be like changed or this has to be done in such a manner, you can just depict. Zara saying, Zara, you can absolutely sign in into the Bolt and start creating something of your own. Takshal has shared something. Blue Rock. Okay, that was the same game, but yeah, it is also very much good. But right now I think the arrow keys are not working. Takshal, you can just maybe have a look at this and see other players are also playing and the ranks are also coming over here. Very nice. Now let's see what changes it has created. And by the way, the sound is also coming out of the game now. Are you able to hear the sound that is the game is producing? Are you able to hear the sound the game is producing? The car game? Okay, yeah. I already told you this thing now because these things happen. So tokens will be refilled for sure, and you have to wait for 24 hours in order to change anything or do anything. But yeah, this happens. I know. Yes. And in fact, there are some alternate ways through which you can earn some tokens. That is, there is something called as a referral link on each and every platform, right? So you will have a referral link of your account. Maybe you can just refer to friends, you can refer to your family members, they can download that application, they can sign up, or whenever somebody purchases through that, you will get some tokens or some credits for the same that you can always use. One more hack is this. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Now I don't know what changes it has did, but let us just look at this. Okay, it's the same problem that we are having right now. The vehicles were not coming closer to us, and the difficulty level is not that much. Okay, tell me one thing that the sound is coming, the sound of the game is coming, sound is not coming. Mhm. Because in this now, we can only share one thing at a time, I think. In advanced, we can only share computer sound or I can only share my screen. I cannot do both the things at the same time. No worries, no worries. It's not whatever you feel like, you can just tell it to hold. It's not done till yet. Increase the difficulty level of this game. How can I check the credit? Yes, Takshal is saying right. When you open this bolt, you will be having this kind of stuff. So click on your profile button. You will have get free tokens button, or you will have my subscription kind of thing. Click on my subscription, and here all the tokens will be showed like what kind of tokens you are having or something. So yeah, I am on the paid plan because I use this bolt a lot of times. So yeah, this is this. Right, get free tokens. As I told you that you can also earn tokens and 200,000 tokens, like 2 lakh tokens for yourself for each new user you refer, like this thing. You can also have your referral link and you can share it. Yeah, Takshil is right. Sir, can you send the football game? So football game that we created in the like 4 p.m. batch, we have created this football game. So I think 2 players will be required to play that game, right? Uh, I think Yeah, okay, done. Okay. Disha is saying, can you try that? What I have to try? Mhm. You can do that, absolutely. There are a lot of things that you can do. Downhill racing game, you can do a lot of stuff, right? There are endless possibilities, na? Right? After each and every change that you do, not like after, you can like, let's say you have created a project and now let's say you will start working it on tomorrow. You want some relax, you want to have chill, then you it is highly like preferable or highly advisable for you guys that you can just publish that project. Right now I'm publishing because I have to share the link with you guys so that you can also see what kind of changes that we are doing in the game. Yeah, I don't know it has did the right thing or not. Let us just quickly check. Okay, the speed is much faster right now. The vehicle are getting closer also, but not what we expected. The speed much faster. The sound is also changed in the game. What is happening now? The vehicles are appearing in the start, but they are getting like removed in the end when it is around like we have played around speed. Is okay. Difficulty level it has increased a lot. Okay, okay, okay. You can also see by yourself now. It is speed has drastically improved in this game. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Great. That's great. What I want is that you can also maybe you do not want to be a game developer or something, but I want you guys that you can also create this at least so that you can have the basic understanding of what is possible with the help of AI. This is also possible. Add username and leaderboard. Absolutely, you can do that now. Should I add that right now? Should I add that right now? Yes. Anything that you would like to share or ask? Feel free to write in the chat box. Now there are some like things that I would like to show you. When you guys create your own game, na, always make sure that this kind of prompt that we have given in first, na, this you always read it out. So that at least you should be knowing that what it is. Right now I didn't read that, but always you need to read it out so that you should be better aware of why this thing is happening. What will be happening now? In this game what is happening now, you are seeing the vehicles are not getting continuously appearing, they are just getting disappear after 5 to 10 seconds. So maybe we have included something, each and everything, 3 lane city road. So you have seen 3 lanes are there, city road is there, right? Game is in loop. 15 seconds on the player starts with a 15 second on the timer or something. Whatever you are seeing in the game has already written in a prompt. So it is highly advisable always read out the prompt. Whatever you feel like that is not, that should not be there in the prompt, remove it or add something else. So that is there. And yeah. Okay. Anything that you would like? Zoom is meeting. Yeah. Uh, okay, you can leave, Diksha. And the other cars come fast, then disappear. Yes, yes, yes. That was the thing, na, that I was already telling you. You can maybe make this changes in the prompt, or you can also make it corrected in the chat box that is there. Ria is saying game prompt, ultimate option, fancy. I cannot create each and everyone's game because there are 20 members present. But always you have that capability right now that you can absolutely create anything of your thinking, of your choice. 392. Okay, that's nice. When clicking on the D, it is going left. When clicking on D, okay, that kind of button you are telling me left. Again, we'll do the same things now. We'll do the alterations in that na. That whatever you have told na, or you can absolutely tell the same thing to Bolt that when we are clicking on A, it is going left, and when we are clicking on D, it is going right. So yeah, it will reverse the cycle. Zara, you are there in the class na, and yeah, you have to wait. That you guys have to wait for that na. For tokens, you have to maybe share the referral I have already told, or you can just wait it. But for exploration purpose, you will have enough tokens. You can create a little bit of that. That is there. Anything more? Right now, I think Bolt has already completed. Right now, you already have the glimpse of Bolt that what are the things that are possible with the help of Bolt. You can create websites, you can create apps, you can create games with the help of Bolt, all without writing a single line of code. That is possible. And yeah, that is there. So, right now, uh, there are some topics that we will be discovering, like prompt engineering, how to structure your prompts. That is very much important topic. Notebook LM, I think we have already discussed. Uh, there will be other topics according to the curriculum. We will be going forward. Yeah, Takshal, I have already like talked about this thing. No, you can actually tell this stuff to Bolt that when I am clicking on D, it is going to left, and when I am clicking on A, it is going to left. But what I want is when I click on D, it should go to the left, and when I click on A, it should go to the right, and that Bolt will do the necessary changes for you. That stuff. ठीक है? For tomorrow, we will have another like tool or something so that we can just discuss this. And Bolt is now, I think, very much clear. You can maybe choose any tool of your choice. It can be Bolt, it can be Replit, it can be Emergent, it can be Lovable, or it can be any other tool. These four are the like industry standards, and Replit is having much more great designs as compared to Bolt. Yeah. In terms of websites, in terms of apps, in terms of games also, Replit is very much good enough. I must say that I have used that multiple times. We did nothing. We just what we did today. I am just making it a little uh, conclusion of it. So what we did is we have created a game on Bolt. We have given a prompt on ChatGPT that what kind of game what we wanted to create. Then we have the proper structure and planning that how we are going to do that with the help of ChatGPT itself. And then finally we have observed or got the prompt. After that, what we did is we copied the prompt and we pasted to Bolt, and the game was ready. But whatever changes you want to do, you can do it at your own choice. So that was we did today. Now we are like ending this class, but I want you guys to study about prompt engineering a little bit. Prompt engineering. We will be discussing that, but this is a very much important prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is basically how you can structure your prompts, what kind of things you can allocate, what kind of role specifics. There are a lot of things. So you will get the best output that is possible, right? So yeah, we are also leaving. We are also leaving it. Perfect. So yeah, hello everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Try to have the basics about prompt engineering and something. So yeah. Thank you all. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.